Hello friends, today I'm gonna tell you how you can download Blender for 100% free and instantly by a single click. So friends, we should begin the video now. I'm Shrant Prap Singh and you're watching Tech Bros. So in front of your screen you can see as Windows 10 operated system, and the first step to download Blender is to open Google Chrome and then search for Blender 64-bit PC download. Or you can don't search for download, you can just search for Blender 64-bit, and here are the options, and you have to click on the official link by the Blender organization. So we'll open the page now. As you can see in front of yourself, the official page of Blender organization, and here is listed the specs of this version. It's for Windows 10, and it's the latest version. So we'll download it. So the page will redirect you to another page, but you have to back it off and wait for some time, and it will begin the download. Not instantly, it will take about a minute to start the download, but it'll start, and it will be the full version of Blender and the latest version too. So as the download was started, but it is not recorded in my recorder, so I'll show you the download file you'll get after downloading it. So here's on my screen the official Blender folder I downloaded. So we'll open the Blender folder now. So it's the setup or the installer to install Blender. So let's open it. So as I have already installed Blender in my personal computer, so it will not get reinstalled, or I else have to uninstall the official application to reinstall it. So that's it. I'll show you the official Blender application I installed from that setup. So it's the first pane you'll always get from Blender, and it's the mesh you will always getting for pre-made mesh you'll get after opening the Blender application. So these are some controls. This is the camera for Blender, which will work as the official screen worker. So we'll search for the lighting, and it's above just here. You'll be able to see now. So this is how you can switch between another modes of Blender, the animation and all, Python mode and script writing. And this is the animation mode on the screen, and as you can see they have changed the layout of the page. So friends, thanks for watching the video, and I hope you liked the video. So please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for further videos. I have already made a video on how to install Adobe Flash for free. You can go for it if you are interested in downloading Adobe Flash CS6. So friends, thanks for watching.